Most of the architecture you see in Paris dates back to the 1800s. However, Paris is a much older city, dating back all the way to Roman times. And while there's a few hints of Middle Ages Paris with a lot of its mostly churches, this is one of the very few cases of Roman architecture still surviving in the city. This was excavated and founded in the 19th century, and this, when they found it, dates back all the way to the 1st century AD. These are the Arenas de Lutetia, which is the arena of Lutetia, which was the original name, the Roman name for Paris. Let's walk over here and explore these arenas dating back to 1st century AD. Now, this is no Roman Colosseum, but the Romans built colosseums all around their territories. Some small, some larger. This one is more of like a medium size. Let's go up here and take the view from the audience's perspective. So we are walking on rocks that dating back to 1st century AD. Wow. You can just imagine ancient Romans sitting here, or the ancient Parisians as well. The cultures must have started to mix significantly at that time. And here are the seats that they sat on. Oh, that's so cool. Wow. So we are also surrounded by these beautiful gardens all around Paris. There's gardens everywhere. However, in the 19th century, when they were building these gardens and they were building a lot of these houses, they found a huge arena buried. And here it is. So the acoustics are also really good when you step downstairs, inside. So good that if you have someone whispering right there in the middle, you'll hear them just ever so slightly. But if they were really giving you a huge performance, you'll definitely hear it, which is really impressive. So while you're in Paris, be sure to stop in the beautiful gardens that are all around. But if you want to go specifically here to the Arenas Lutetia, come to the 6th arrondissement, which is right by the Pantheon. Thank you so much for watching this short 360 video. Keep being awesome and always keep on exploring.